Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Marie.
And we're the Old School Soulmates, and we have a haul video today with some clothing that we didn't get to in our last video. So we'll start with, what do we have here?
This is a dress barn. I kind
barn.
of bought it for myself. Not a fancy brand, but here's what I'm saying about this was in my closet. And I said, something, I don't wear it. I'm going to try to sell it. So I've probably picked it up at a thrift store, but it's a really nice little jacket, popular size, extra large, and so go to your closet. Not a big deal. Here's two more things that they're the same. Went to my closet again. These are Not Your Daughter's jeans, which are real popular jeans. I kept thinking they were going to fit me, and I washed and I dried, and I washed and I dried, and they're still just a little too big. But these are real popular jeans, and they're real popular size, and they always say in here what they are. So these are the Alina convertible ankle. So you don't really have to guess with these too often.
Yeah. This one's hard to read here, but but that one.
Yep, and they're identical, and I would list them as a lot because if one person, they would probably buy both pairs.
Right.
So again, go to your closet, and you don't need to always buy to sell. Another thing from the closet, this pair of Tommy Hilfiger shorts that Dave had in his closet. He just decided that they wasn't his thing. So, and they have the nice Tommy
look
flag.
at the size, I think they still might even fit me, but that's not always the case with everything in my closet right now.
Exactly. So,
just a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts. I mean,
khaki
you'll
shorts.
get what for this? Probably $25.
Probably $24.95. But I mean, it's out of your closet, and it's a great way to get started on eBay. Just sell the stuff that you have.
Yeah.
Exactly.
If you make $2 on it, $2 you didn't have, at the end of the day after it's all done.
Exactly.
So, what do we have here?
This is Norton. Norton is a brand from, I think normally it's sold at Macy's, I'm pretty sure. But this was new with tags. Now, when you see stuff new with tags in the thrift stores, if you're getting it for a good price, that's kind of, I don't want to say a no-brainer, but if you can buy new with tags versus... take a chance on it. This was $36 new. I liked it for myself, but I said, I'm going to try to list it first. Yeah. Because it was a really cute top. So I was like, I was in Florida. So if it's sold for $36 new, you probably get $29 for it because it's still brand new. That's the neat part.
What do we have here?
Oh, this is a pair of jeans that are for me.
Okay.
Never mind.
You'll see a few of those coming in this lot. We've got a few of my shirts coming up here too.
Yeah, exactly. All right. When I was in Florida, I was surprised to find this, but all their tops were $4.99. So this is a cashmere, 100% cashmere, and you'll get if you're not a big, I'm not a big clothing person, so there's women that just know everything about everything. I'm not that one. This is a Pendleton, and Pendleton is always a good, solid brand. Doesn't bring a ton of money, but it's a well-known brand. And I was going through there, and I'm like, gosh, this, you can get where you can feel it. And I'm like, man, that feels like cashmere. So you pull the tag, and it was 100% cashmere. So for $3.99.
And what'll that go for?
It'd probably go for $49.
No.
Boy, and I sure wish that was my size. Anyways, moving on. Boy, I wanted that right there. That's for me.
Okay. Another one for you.
Another one for... There's a few of those now.
Yeah, just a champion shirt.
Just a champion top. This is a North Face. Now, North Face, it's still kind of all over the map, but this is a really unusual North Face. It has the roll tab cuffs, which is what they call that, where you roll it up and it's got a little got a little latch for it to make it into like a 3/4 sleeve. Nice pattern, nice print, but it has a little bit of wear on it, but that's part of the allure of this. The tag's in great shape, so Yep, it always sells fast.
There's another one in there, another North Face, but we'll probably find it, as we go.
This is a women's brand that has, it's kind of slidden down a little bit. It's made well, but if you're buying it nice and cheap, it's a little like a no sleeve kind of croppy type of shirt. It's a real cute little top. I'm going to iron it, before we go listing it because you can't photograph it. But it's a size medium. And again, got it for $3.99, and I think it'll probably sell for $24.
Yeah.
Where, from what I hear, 3 or 4 years ago, Madewell was really going for a lot of money.
Yeah.
This actually, it's got a good resale value.
And a whole
Tiny
lot.
little jacket, I have to say. I think it's an extra small. I'm not absolutely positive, but this is going to be a Tommy Hilfiger.
Yeah.
And I again look it up because you just don't know. But yeah, it's I was trying to look it up, but this is how it looks. I mean, I was I wasn't really
scraggly,
sure. Yeah, but that seems like how they all look. But this, I think she charged me $6.99 for the jacket, and I should be able to. They were listed for $79.
Yeah. That'll
So
work.
I'll give it a shot. I might brush out the fur a little though. Which
Get that big yellow thing.
oh,
there.
I'm scared of that thing, honey. I'm really scared. Okay.
This is what you call a church coat.
This is a church suit.
Our church suit, rather.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Yeah,
And that's the name of the
I'm gonna
company,
stand up
right?
for this one because
Isn't that the name of the company too?
church. Whoops, I'm sorry. I think that's the bottom part of it.
That's the skirt.
Here's the jacket, or blazer, or whatever you want to call that.
Yep.
Yeah, it's SOGIC, Suits of God in Church. That's the
Yep.
name of the brand.
That's the name of the brand.
And that, with a color like that, man, somebody's got to want that. I don't know.
And I don't know
That's just
why.
a really cool
He
color.
insisted that I buy this.
Yeah.
So
I think it's going to sell.
a green leopard print
Yeah, man.
silk suit, huh? Okay.
Well, you never know.
So
Somebody.
and it was really, really inexpensive. It was on
Yeah.
sale, half price,
Yeah,
and
so-
something. I think it was like $5.99. So we just had to take we had because it's fun. Sometimes
Yeah.
you just got to do it because it's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
we got
that-
a couple more of those fun ones in here too.
Yes, exactly.
Some things from days gone by.
This is probably for me.
Okay. Told you we were gonna have a lot of your stuff.
We
in
are.
here. And my stuff too. I think I got a
Yes.
couple shirts in here.
Because we were thrifting for so long that, kind of all
gotta
got
have yourself
mixed in.
some.
This is a neat shirt made by Coleman, which is the same people that make Coleman stoves and coolers and all of the above. But it's like a fishing shirt, so the whole shirt's covered
Yeah.
with fishing lures.
Show you here.
It's really cool. So, don't know what it'll bring, but it's a real interesting shirt. So, shirts were cheap there. I think it was, they were $3.99, so we'll give it a shot and see. Sometimes you haven't seen it before, so you buy it, Is this that other? Oh,
That was Tommy
Tommy
Bah-
Bahama. Yes.
Again, one of those brands that it's like it sort of can be okay. It's sort of fallen off lately. I think
Gotta
it's
have
kind
a
of
good
flooded.
pattern.
Yeah. This one is mediocre.
Tiki Hut. I
Yeah.
haven't seen that one yet. It's
Yeah.
not floral.
It's different. I mean, but yeah, I mean,
It's
Florida,
100% silk.
Yeah,
too.
that's
So
it, yeah,
the sell
yeah.
on those.
and
you know-
we were in Florida, so we had to buy at least one Tommy Bahama
exactly.
in Florida.
One time I stumbled
You know.
across one of those Tommy Bahamas that was a salesman sample. Really wasn't the most attractive, but it said sample in it. That thing sold really fast, like
Yeah.
overnight.
Which means we probably didn't ask enough for it.
Absolutely. And that's the first thing you think of. So, is that...
This is for my dad. Okay, this is just I bought
Yes.
this for my dad. It's like Pops, the man, the myth, the legend. Anyway, so
And that's what happens. You'll see stuff and you're like, oh, that'll be great for my dad.
yeah,
This is
life's good.
yes, exactly. This is Dave's
it's
actually.
probably
He
gonna be
bought
for
it
me,
for
yeah.
himself, but it's a really nice.
nice
It's
little
so
life good
soft.
stuff,
It's a
yeah.
really cool.
We could probably sell it if we had to. Probably get $15 for it.
Yeah,
Maybe
but
$10.
I know you're going to probably
I'm
stick.
gonna probably keep it though.
Yes, I stumble upon this brand from time to time. I only buy it if it's new with tags because it's not going to bring a lot. I don't even think I've sold the last one, but this is Bob Mackey, who's a designer, clothing designer out of Los Angeles. This is sold on QVC and things like that.
And Bob Mackey back in the day designed a lot of costumes and stuff for
Carol
Hollywood.
Burnett, all of
Burnett,
Carol
all of
Burnett's
Carol Burnett
clothes and
stuff.
stuff.
Yeah, so
But
I
it's
mean,
just a little
yeah,
jacket,
I'll show you.
brand new with tags,
Yeah.
So, and it was inexpensive, just a fleece jacket.
Good.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, we'll give it a shot and see, It's,
What do you think we'll get for it?
$29, $39, somewhere in that
This for
vicinity.
you too.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we buy anything to sell?
Yes, there's a couple things. This North Face here.
There's the North Face, yeah.
$4.19. Yep. So this is $4.19 to be exact. Nice shirt though. It's the one with the zips on the side of the pockets. Classic plaid. It should have not any problem selling at all. And with summer coming, it'll be even better. Just look to make sure it's in good shape because people that buy North Face generally really wear it. But this has got no signs of wear. I mean, hardly anything. Nice zip side pockets and everything.
Kind of in the vein of the Columbia PFG stuff and that kind of thing. Yeah.
Classic North Face, though. I don't see any wear or problems with it. You know, and it's funny. You go through all the trouble to buy this stuff, and you're like, oh, I don't see anything. And then you go to photograph it under those bright lights, and you're like, oops.
Yeah, we find a stain once in a while.
We see stuff from time to time.
This one we got in our own thrift store here.
Yep, just got this recently. The day before yesterday. So
this is...
It's like a youth's jacket and stuff, but it just has some great embroidery, and we're close to Alabama here, so there's a lot of real Champion. There's a lot of Alabama fans here.
It's small, but
a lot of still, Auburn fans, I guess I should say.
Auburn fans.
My nephew went to Auburn, so Yep.
All right, this is probably for me. Oh, no, actually, this one could be for sale. Yeah. This is a Dunder Mifflin. Now, this is any kind of office stuff. This is the show The Office. If you're not familiar with that, it's a pretty interesting show. Pretty cool show. It's been on for a long time. But Dunder Mifflin was the fictitious company in The Office. And actually, a paper company actually bought the brand name and started manufacturing Dunder Mifflin paper for a while.
Exactly.
They were supposedly... So anyway, but that kind of stuff, people love the office stuff.
Yep.
I have a friend of mine that she'd buy it in 5 minutes.
She would, she absolutely loves it.
We gave her one time. She's like, here you go, if you want to impersonate a FedEx.
Or if things get tight and you got to get a part-time job at the holidays, there's a FedEx shirt there.
These do sell.
And they do sell.
Yeah, I mean, they're not,
Yeah, it's a nice, nice little shirt in good shape. So
home delivery. So.
Yeah, again, $3.99. You never know what you can sell it for. Again, we're in Tennessee here, so
this is probably for me, but it's an official NFL Titans, and just a older
vintage
kind of older.
The tag is vintage. That red tag.
Yeah.
That's a vintage NFL tag.
I guess Titans can only be so vintage. 1999, I think, was when they first came into existence. So, so they can't be too old, much older than that. Anyway.
Oh yeah.
This was just something too. Speaking of Alabama, right in Talladega.
I don't know where it is.
Talladega.
I don't know where Talladega is. I should be shot.
I know you're.
I know.
Yeah, with all the racing people in your family, but anyway.
But does that what that says?
This is like. Yeah, Dega. Yeah.
Talladega. Gotcha.
Talladega.
Drinking fans with a racing problem.
Yep.
It says Alabama admit one.
Yep.
So that was just an interesting T-shirt. There's
some interesting. You know, watch some YouTube videos. There's some interesting. Type in Dega.
I said a lot of these T-shirts are going to end up in Dave's closet.
This one I couldn't resist. This is
one of his favorite movies ever.
A Christmas Story.
Yep.
Triple dog dare you. With all the coronavirus stuff, you don't want to be doing this anymore.
Nope, that's for sure.
Probably not a good idea, but don't try that at home.
This is, I don't even remember why we bought these.
These are tactical kind of pants.
They are. They have got everything going on that could be going on.
Yeah,
I just don't know.
Kind of really cool.
Yeah, they are.
And they're,
they're from Outer Rim. These are his size.
Yeah,
that's why I think we're gonna see if he likes them. But they're the what they call convertible, where they turn into shorts.
Yeah.
So they unzip right here, and they become
there.
A pair of shorts.
Yeah.
But they're really soft, comfortable, and Dave said he'll give them a shot and see what he thinks.
All right. That's my shirt.
Okay.
I think that's my shirt. But this is a Tommy Hilfiger. If you got this at a yard sale or something, you could probably get like $15-$20 for it. But I think I'm going to keep it for myself. We're kind of burnt on. We kind of stocked up on Tommies. I think we got enough of those in the early days of still trying to sell. But what you got there?
This is a pair of these are jeans from Anthropologie. I'm not familiar with the different Anthropologie brands. There's if you the stay-at-home mom. Oh my goodness.
The hustle at home.
Mom. She has so many. Anthropologie brands, in her head, it is amazing.
Yeah.
But this is labeled. It says right on it, and it's a very unique name. So it's called Pilcrow and the Letterpress. They have really unique names. And I was like, okay, that's a very unique pair of jeans. They look very odd. And I said, I'm going to look them up, and sure enough, they do bring some money, $39.
Cool.
So,
alrighty.
These are some interesting Western shirts.
This is part of the reason why we bought this was it came from Montgomery Ward's.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you saw our video a while ago, we sold a disco shirt from Sears.
Yep. And JC and Kmart.
And a Kmart shirt. So, I mean,
we
figured
jacket.
Why not go with the trifecta of 70s department stores and put Montgomery Ward, Monkey Wards in there.
Yes,
they
exactly.
Called it. But yeah, this is a Western shirt. From,
two of them.
You could do some serious square dancing in this, or it's got the pearl snap is what they would call this.
Probably real pearls from back then, but these
say
this says Montgomery Ward.
Yeah.
No ironing needed.
No ironing needed, not at all.
So, and I think that's it.
Well, I think that concludes our haul video for tonight, and that's everything. That finishes up everything we found in Florida and back. So, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. It helps us out. Also, you won't miss any episodes if you do that, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.